In this video we will create the bubbles for the bottom right box, that's the cash cows. In the first step we need some other values, so the cell in G5 has to be bigger than 0 and the value on cell D5 smaller than 3. So for the first step and some new scoring points. So then we click to our chart, right mouse key, select data, add, then series name product 1, x value cell G5, vertical value from J5 and bubble size from cell E5. Next, add product number 2, x values cell G6, vertical value J6 and the bubble size from E6. Okay, then we will add product number 3, x values from cell G7, vertical value from J7 and bubble size from cell E7. We will add product number 4, x value from cell G8, vertical value from J8 and bubble size from E8. Okay, and the last one we add product number 5, then x values from cell G9, vertical value from J9 and bubble size from cell E9. Okay, and okay, for all bubbles we will use a dark gray color. Go to the bucket and select a dark gray color. Then mark one bubble, go to chart design, add chart element, data labels, more data label options, and mark series name, deactivate value from vertical line and label position at center. Mark the next bubble, go to chart design, add chart element, data labels, more data label options, mark series name, deactivate Y value and label position at center. Next bubble, add chart element, data labels, more data label options, series name, deactivate vertical value, label position at center. Next bubble, add chart element, data label, more data label options, serial name, deactivate value vertical and label position at center. And the last one, add chart element, data labels, more data label options, series name, deactivate value from vertical line, label position at center. Okay, in the next video we will create the bubbles for the top rights. Here are the stars.